So you're looking for a gift that someone will actually use, but not something that gets opened, admired for 10 seconds, and then shoved into the back of a drawer. I get it. I'm Paul, and I've been making leather goods for about 11 years now, and this time of year, things get busy for all of us. So I want to give you something simple and practical, what to look for when you're shopping for a leather gift, and how to know if what you're buying is actually worth it. As someone who works with leather every single day, I can tell you this material is different from almost anything else you can buy. Good leather doesn't wear out quickly, it evolves. The more someone uses it, the better it gets. A belt, a bracelet, a watch band, they all soften, the color deepens, the edges burnish naturally, and eventually the piece literally molds to the person wearing it. Every mark tells a story, and that's why people hang on to these pieces for years. Most gifts don't do that. Leather becomes part of someone's daily routine. When you're out shopping, the biggest thing to look for is leather quality. Full grain leather is the way to go. It's the strongest part of the hide with the natural grain left untouched, and it looks better with age. On the other hand, if you see genuine leather, don't be fooled. It's actually the lowest grade of leather and will end up peeling, cracking, and falling apart in no time. Over the years, after working with tens of thousands of customers, I've seen which pieces people actually love and use long term. Belts are one of those everyday essentials people don't think about until they finally upgrade one. A solid full grain belt with good hardware can last well over a decade, sometimes longer. You don't need anything fancy, just real leather and strong metal. Another thing people love is a personalized bracelet. It's simple, meaningful, and something they can wear every day. But the key is making sure it's cut from one solid piece of leather and that the personalization is stamped or burned into the leather, not printed on top. That way it actually lasts. Watch bands are another great option because they instantly change the look of someone's watch. They see it every time they check the time, which makes it a surprisingly personal gift. A good wallet is a must-have. Think about how often someone uses their wallet multiple times a day. A good leather wallet can last 20 years, and the simpler the design, the longer it tends to last simply because there's less to break. And then there are wide cuffs, which are perfect for someone who likes something a little more bold. They make a statement without going overboard, and as long as the leather is thick enough and the fastening is strong, they hold up really well. The main thing you're paying for with handmade over factory made is the quality of materials and how it's put together. Mass production is all about what's cheapest and quickest. When it's handmade, you get better leather, stronger stitching, and way more attention to detail. Every piece is made with care and with the person who will use it in mind. If you decide to go with something handmade, just keep in mind that this time of year gets busy for every maker. So ordering earlier rather than later is always a good idea. And honestly, wherever you end up buying, whether it's from me or another maker, the three things that really matter are clear, honest materials, good construction, and real photos of the actual work. When those things are there, the gift is going to last. That's pretty much it. And hopefully this helps you pick out something that actually gets used and appreciated for years. And if you want to see the pieces I make, there's a link below. Thanks for watching.